Greetings, VAC fans. Let's take this Dyson DC41, but it might as well be a Dyson DC65 because the difference isn't all that much. Couple CFM at the nozzle. But let's look at this Ball Animal 2 head on this DC41 and see what we can do with some extreme slow-mo edge cleaning. I bet you it gets everything on the top, but I wonder what it's going to be like on the edges and underneath. That's a big pile there, isn't it? Let's spread that out. And let's get some underneath. All right, it's got to be enough flour. And away we go. Alright, well, I'm looking here on the top. The top is pretty good. I'm digging down here and I'm not seeing anything on the top. You can definitely see what's on the concrete. And you know what? I'm not seeing a whole lot on the edge here. It's not a giant wide edge. And we have, yeah, you know what? It made an attempt. Look at how far this thing is. Jeez, okay. All right, so it moved way, I put it here, and it moved it like 6 or 7 inches over here. So it made an attempt, probably because of its intense agitation, to pick it up, but it doesn't have enough airflow to do it. So it just kind of moved it around a bit. So on top is great. Off to the edge, it's okay. And underneath, yeah, that's a fail. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.